Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we have unboxing and first review of budget tablet called VOYO i8 Pro. Although its price is only $160, the tablet has 10.1-inch Full HD display, 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. VOYO i8 Pro supports dual SIM card, so you can use it for mobile data and even calls. Today it is very difficult to find a really good tablet, but what about VOYO i8 Pro? Is it a good device for entertainment or even work? Let's find out in this review. I want to note that there will be at least 3 videos about this tablet. Also, I will make performance test and battery test. You can find these videos by the link in descriptions. VOYO i8 Pro comes in simple box of white color. There is nothing special, just specification and main feature on the back. Inside the box you can find the tablet, power adapter, USB cable, and user manual in English. That's all. There is no keyboard and you don't need it because the tablet runs on Android. The design of new tablet is quite standard. It looks like many other Chinese tablets on the market. However, the first feature is that VOYO i8 Pro comes in only rose gold color. The front panel has white color, while the backside is made of rose gold. I cannot say that VOYO i8 Pro has thin bezels around the display. The tablet has pretty big bezels, and it is a little strange because of full screen or bezel-less trend on smartphone market. I'm waiting for tablet with really thin bezels. However, maybe it is better, because the tablet is more comfortable to hold in hands. On the front panel there is 10.1-inch display and front camera. It is a budget tablet, so you cannot find fingerprint reader or other flagship features. The back panel looks pretty good. There is detachable part at the top, under which you can find slot for 2 SIM cards and microSD memory card. It is a very interesting solution, and I'm really excited of dual SIM cards in the tablet. Also, the back panel has rear camera and flashlight. At the bottom you can find speaker grills. The right side provides power button and volume rocker. Also, there is 3.5mm audio jack. Micro USB port is located on the top. As you can see, the main feature of this tablet is special compartments for SIM and memory cards. In general, design is very simple and standard. However, I didn't expect something special from budget device. Maybe it has great display and powerful hardware. Let's find out. VOYO i8 Pro has 10.1-inch display and Full HD resolution 1920 by 1200 pixels. It sounds pretty good for budget tablet, do you agree? And it has really sharp colors, good viewing angles and clarity indoors. The maximum brightness is enough for comfortable using the tablet outdoors. Of course, you should avoid direct sunlight. However, in the shade or in a cloudy weather, it is possible to watch movies, surfing internet, etc. outdoors. As for the hardware, new tablet is powered by MediaTek MT6753 processor with Mali T720 GPU. The chipset was released in 2015 and it was used in mid-range phones and tablets. Right now it is outdated and I'm less and less meeting devices with this chipset. However, the tablet copes well with basic tasks such as casual games, browser with some tabs, messengers, and multimedia player. The performance is supported by 3GB of RAM. This is good for multitasking. But if you want to play heavy games such as Asphalt 8, it can be a problem. Later I will make detailed performance test of this tablet, but in this video I want to show you benchmarks result. VOYO i8 Pro has about 43,000 points in AnTuTu. The next test, called GeekBench 4, shows almost 551 points in single-core test and 2130 points in multi-core test. I should say that it is a really good result for budget tablet. Perhaps it can run Asphalt 8 pretty good. I will check it in the next video. You can find it by the link in description. Also, VOYO i8 Pro has 64GB of RAM. This is huge storage for movies, photos and games. However, if this is not enough for you, there is microSD memory card support. As already said, you can use 2 SIM cards and microSD memory card at the same time. It is amazing. The tablet runs on Android 7.0 Nougat. It is stock Android system, so everything is standard. There is Play Store and other Google services. Also, it supports different languages such as English, Hindi, Spanish, Russian, and others. The user interface works fast and smooth. I don't notice any problems with this. I'm glad that VOYO i8 Pro runs on Android 7.1 because it comes with split screen function. It's a very useful function on tablets because you can divide the screen into two parts and use them for different tasks, for example, watching movies and reading websites. The camera is one of the main problems of all tablets. VOYO i8 Pro is equipped with 5-megapixel rear camera and 2-megapixel front camera. Of course, I didn't expect a miracle, but the photos are even worse than I thought. These shots are grainy, unfocused, and have bad colors. Even the cheapest Chinese smartphones takes better images than this budget tablet. First I thought that you don't need camera in tablets at all, but then I remembered about video chatting. Perhaps this is the main reason why manufacturers equip their tablets with cameras. They are not intended for photos, but you can use them to communicate on Skype. VOYO i8 Pro is equipped with 6500 mAh battery. The manufacturer says about 7 hours of battery life on a single charge. Later I will make battery test and check it. The tablet charges via microSD port. The full battery charge takes about 3 hours. You know that tablets are not intended for calls. However, the slot for SIM cards provides mobile data support. It means that you can use internet wherever you want. Moreover, VOYO i8 Pro is equipped with dual SIM card. Both of them supports network connections up to 4G. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and even 3.5mm audio jack to listen to music. The tablet uses microSD port for charging and transferring files. The tablet has very small speaker grill on the back panel. The sound is pretty loud, however, there is no bass at all. The speaker produces only low decibels values. Now you can listen how it sounds. VOYO i8 Pro is decent budget tablet. It has very simple design but good build quality. Of course, its main feature are big display and dual SIM card support. Also, the tablet has good hardware and it copes with everyday tasks such as watching movies, surfing internet and office apps. The camera is very bad and you shouldn't use it to take photos at all. Later, I will publish performance and battery test. You can find them in description under this video. In general, VOYO i8 Pro is good tablet for its price, about $160. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.